Hello, I'm Adam Wolf, and welcome to ARM Studios. Today we're sitting down with Shankar Iyer, the Business Development Lead for Gene Therapies at Pfizer Center 1. Shankar, welcome.
Thank you. Thanks to be here.
Awesome. So Shankar, tell us a little bit about Pfizer Center 1 and how your company is involved with cell and gene therapies.
Yeah, that's a great question. So we are the best kept secret within Pfizer actually, and overall, right? So Pfizer has this mission to reach 1 billion patients by 2027. And we know we cannot do this alone. We need the power of the ecosystem, the biotech ecosystem. And so one of the ways we do that is through Pfizer Center 1. What we do is we bring the best of Pfizer's expertise and experience to the outside biotech world. We use our manufacturing infrastructure, our processes, our leading scientists and engineers to power the gene therapies or any kind of therapies for that matter and get it to the patients faster and more efficiently. So that's kind of the mission for Pfizer Center 1, and that's what we are here for, to propagate that vision.
Excellent. Thank you so much. So transitioning then, what innovation are you most excited about in cell and gene therapy, either in the short term or the medium term?
Yeah, that's a great question again. And I'm blown by some of the innovations I'm hearing here today and yesterday in this conference. What I'm sensing is somewhat of a convergence of physical science, chemistry, and biology, cell biology really. Some of the most innovations I'm seeing is really in the drug delivery vehicle. Like I'm hearing exosomes, liposomes. Obviously you had the traditional viral vector, you had the nanoparticles, lipid nanoparticles. Now we are talking about carbon nanotubes. You are even talking about focused ultrasound. So that's like literal merger and integration of all different sciences. And to me, that's the most exciting thing, because what that does is it takes difficult targets, improves the specificity, it improves of the efficiency of the payload, and gets several different breakthroughs to patients who are looking for them, who are needing them. So I think that's the biggest innovation. Obviously, much of that is in labs. So it's going to take some time to go from labs to clinic to the patient, but the excitement and the energy here is really palpable. So I'm hoping that these breakthroughs are going to get to the patients in the next few years.
No, thank you for sharing that. And that's excellent to hear, considering that, especially here at ARM, we often consider the patient the true North Star of the cell and gene therapy sector, and that should always be at the core of our work. So Shankar, one more question for you. What do you find most rewarding working in cell and gene therapy?
I mean, I would say patience at the end of the day, right? For us, time is life in Pfizer. We pride on light speed projects. COVID vaccine was an example, but there are many other programs that we do at light speed. And that's what we are here for, to help other companies get their therapies to market or to the patients in a light speed way. The other thing that we really look for is building trust. I mean, one of the things Pfizer has learned through the pandemic and through many other experiences is we cannot do this alone. We need the power of the ecosystem. We need to work with other partners who have similar mindsets. And so building that trust is super important. And so what I am able to do in this role is bring that partnership together, bring that connections together so that we can get therapies faster to the patients and in a meaningful way, in a way that they can afford to pay for it, in a way that access is improved, right? That's what is, at the end of the day, the most promising thing about this job.
Excellent. Shankar, thank you so much for joining us today. I hope you enjoyed the rest of the conference.
Absolutely. This has been a great conference. Thank you for having me here.
Excellent.